Hey there, my awesome friends. Today we're gonna draw a super cute little witch. She's got a purple hat, bright green hair, and a magic broom to fly on. It's gonna be so much fun. Are you ready? Let's see the colors we need. Yellow, orange, purple, green, brown, black. Then grab your pencils and colors, because it's time to bring our little witch to life.
3, 2, 1!
Stick around. You'll love how it looks at the end. Like and subscribe, and share the good vibes with us. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Give a like and share happiness with us. Did you like it? Hit the like and subscribe button. Great job, friends. If you liked this one, you'll love the next drawing too. See you there.
Wow!